So Ben, what you got there, buddy?
Well, we're gonna eat some cereal from very far away with this quad that we dug the SPORK Rescuer.
Is that a metal spork?
It's titanium.
Titanium.
Now we can see the time.
Yes.
Now you can really fork it. Yeah.
All right.
No pressure. The daylight's going away.
Who's beeping?
Who is beeping? Yeah, this angle. This is it.
Look at that thing. It's right here.
Oh. My God.
Whoa.
You're
you
like,
guys see how it dipped to the right there?
yeah. You're
That's
like you're jousting with it.
That was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did he get it? Is it right side up now?
I'm a arm it, throttle up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, here it comes. Keep it up, keep it up.
Do it. That thing was still plugged in?
Yeah. Well, nobody went up there to unplug it.
Wow. Land immediately. Yes.
Nice.
Shit, that thing's probably smoking hot. It was fucking the whole time.
Yeah.
Nice forking job. Give him a back scratch.
Oh, God. Did you get that right there?
All right. Excellent.
That's it, man.
All right.
It survived.
Success. No quad left behind.
What is the idea, Barkley? What the hell what are you doing?
The idea is
doing this.
that we're going to put your mindfield sticker, which is now exposed,
Yeah.
with this little
Mask.
COVID mask.
Oh my
shape.
gosh.
On this styrofoam box that Smitty had.
He's gonna try a sticker stop. Do you think it'll work? Thumbs,
No.
thumbs up or thumbs down?
We're gonna make it work.
We got thumbs down, right? Yeah.
I think he's going to stick it and then crash.
Do you have the extra insurance?
It expired.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. This is such a bad idea.
It's a horrible idea and I love it.
Slowly.
Raise the throttle.
Wait.
It's too top heavy. It's too top heavy. You gotta bring it back. Gotta bring it.
Oh my God! No! Land it! No!
It's too heavy. The load's too heavy.
It's not too heavy. It's lopsided.
I've got an
No.
idea.
I had full throttle up. It won't go up.
Oh, I think the
wait.
problem is that there's a hot dog in there.
No.
So what he did was he went to a higher quality drone.
Yep.
This way, if it crashes, it's already a POS. It's a to-go box with a sticker. Oh my God, Barkley.
My heart's pounding, man.
Well, it should be. Hey, you guys, you'll email me the footage of the crash, right? Okay, good.
Okay, that's good. Now straight up.
Slow. You're about
Oh
to
my
duck.
God. You got to get down further because the angle. You got to go right near the center of it. Straight up. Oh my God, I can't believe this. No way. Oh, wow! Oh, no way! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh, wow! Oh, well.
Shaking, man.
Wow!
You did it!
It's
Oh
awesome.
my gosh, yeah!
That was so good.
I did not think that was gonna go that well.
Oh, yeah.
I see next year's competition coming.
Nice job, man.
Yeah.
Wow!
Your input was great.
We weren't really worried about you that much.
I was totally worried about him.
So what's my prize?
Drone, we were pretty well say we're shot, but you weren't worried about you. Yeah.
No,
As long as you get to walk away
keep the
from
change.
it, it's a good play. Yeah.
Wow, bragging rights. That's your prize. Wow.
Now it's Ken's turn.
Oh my
I
goodness.
did not honestly think that.
After he did it, it looked like he crashed.
Well, he landed and it tumped over. But do
That
you
was
see
a
what he did?
landing?
Did you watch that?
I saw it, yeah.
I did not think that was going to work. Did you?
I thought it would be too long and spindly and it would vibrate too much.
Yeah, I thought as soon as he touched it that it would tump over into a pendulum.
That's
didn't.
what I would think.
DJI FPV drone. Way more capable than we gave it credit for.
For this one and only time, I'm going to call it the DJI FPV, not the
There you go.
POS.
And to Joshua,
It accomplished
you learned something today.
its mission.
Max is here with his custom plate. Legal, right? Totally legal.
Totally legal.
Yeah, yeah.
Drove here just like that.
Uh-huh. Why? 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 No! No! Oh no! No!
So Billy climbs all over his statue, and he just asked me, "Can I climb your fire truck?" And I said, "Well, yeah, of course." Where is he? There he is. There he is.